Hello everyone, it's Jen from Jen Dubell Designs, and today I am going to show you my newest design team package, if I don't drop it, from Country Craft Creations. I just received this and it is amazing. So if you know me, you know I absolutely love Graphic 45, so anytime the new Graphic 45 papers are on my desk, I'm excited. So this is the new Adventure Awaits, and I will get into that here in just a second. I'm going to set some of this aside so I can show you the staple items that I receive in my design team package that are also great. The score tape sheets. These are wonderful for wrapping your albums and other things as well. These are the 8.5 by 11s. And I'm just going to set those off to the side. And then we have some more of that gorgeous paper. We have the green artisan cardstock. Guys, if you're not familiar with this, which, to be honest, I obviously had not worked with it in a while because Tamara was using this on a project on a live the other day, and I absolutely love this color. Such a rich, pretty green, and it goes so well with this paper. So this was a great choice by whoever packaged my design team package. So I'm going to set that one aside as well. And then I have the basic heavyweight chipboard that I get in every design team package because they know I do my albums. Gotta have albums. And then it looks like there's some My Colors in here. So let's pull that out along with the paper collection. Sorry for all the noise. So I have some My Colors, which there is still some My Colors available, guys, in the Country Craft Creation store. So this is the craft. And then we have some kiwi and blueberry and burley wood. Oh, this one is iridescent. Like it. Okay. So that is the staples. I also got some ribbons, so let's go over those ribbons really quick, and then we'll dive into this gorgeous new Graphic 45 collection. So, I want to look at my sheet here just to make sure that I know what I'm looking at. So we have brown seam binding. We have the 1.5 inch gross grain. Is that how you say that? I don't even know. So it's green and oatmeal, which I absolutely love this new 1.5 inch gross grain, however you say it, ribbon that she has in the shop. So many colors of this, and I've used it on several albums recently in different colors, and I absolutely love it. And then, of course, I have some natural jute. Got to have that for those tags and such. And this is stunning colors, you guys. This is satin, olive green, and navy blue 3/8 inch. So it has this gorgeous edge. So that olive on one side and navy on the other. Look at how perfect that is with this collection. Definitely going to use that. All right, so let's dive into Adventure Awaits. I am going to start. I have the 12 by 12 as well as the 8 by 8. So we will just go through the 12 by 12. This is a solid sheet with a stripe on the back in a marine blue. And then we have Adventure Awaits Floral Fern. And on the back of this one, we have this gorgeous. Look how pretty those are together, guys. And also, I will let you know, I did order from CCC the new die set that goes well with this from Graphic 45, and I will be using that in my album. So make sure that you stay tuned. I'm going to zoom out just a little because I feel like you all aren't seeing everything here. All right. This next one. So the die set has these shaped vines, which are gorgeous, and I can't wait to get that and use it. This is a fern green pattern solid sheet. So I'm going to flip these so I have them over here. We have Evergreen, which is another one that is a pattern and solid sheet. I love that they're doing this now with some 12 by 12 patterns and solids, and then you can buy the 8.5 by 11 patterns and solids. It's great. So we have that. Next we have Boat Dock Layout. Look at this. This is like kind of watercolory. Have some script in the back, a little duck there. And then on the back, there's this gorgeous B-side. For this one is called Adventure Awaits Borders. Oh yeah, so we have all of our borders, and then we have that gorgeous checkered green. This is the journaling cut apart. So this is your back sides and this is your front sides. This is the signature cut aparts. And on the back is this gorgeous argyle. I love these colors. So vibrant and pretty. We have that checkerboard again, but in a blue. This is the marine blue. And on the other side, we have this. This is gorgeous. It's called Outdoor Catalog. Looks like a page out of a catalog. This is Tree Rings. And on the back, you have this gorgeous green pattern for the B-side. Again, we have that check in Woodland Brown. And this is going to be a pattern on one side and that solid woodland brown on the other, which is kind of a rusty brown. Love it. And a woodland layout. So this is the main signature page. And on the back, we have this gorgeous green. So that is the collection. I also have the 8x8, which is the same. The only difference being it's smaller, right? So as you can see, it is all the same papers, just in a smaller scale. So those will work nicely. And then in addition to that, I have the 8.5 by 11 patterns and solids. And we'll get this open. Again, I apologize for the noise that this lovely plastic makes. And here you get 16 double-sided sheets, 8 patterns and solids paper. There's 2 of each design, so that gives you 1 of each. So you have, there's that brown, and then the check on the back. And then you have it again. So you have 2 of the brown and 2 of this. Or no, you have one. Ugh, I see what they did here. So there's this pattern. So you'll have that twice, and the dark and the brown. And then you have the paddle. And on the other side, that is also the brown. For the marine blue, you have the stripes. And then you have that gorgeous leaf pattern. I think they called this, I don't remember. But anyways, the green, the lighter green, has the stripes. And then on the other side of the other solid, we have that gorgeous fern and plant, botanical, call it what you like. That's what I'm calling it. And then the darker green, we have the dark green and that paddle and trees, the dark green, and on the other side, that catalog in the green. So lots of options with this collection. Lots of versatility. And next I have, now I'm not going to show everything here, but I am going to show you what comes with. So the chipboard pieces and tags, which are a really nice weight and size. This is one of the frames that comes in here. And then you have like tags that are really good weight chipboard. These kind of frames that you can pop apart. And there's another one here. These are super fun. There's a tag inside of that one. Another frame. And then on the back, it always shows you everything that is in there. And I apologize for the glare. Then I also have the ephemera, which has some of the similar pieces, but in a paperweight. So these are really heavy duty paper though. And you have lots of little sentiments in here. We have a congrats. There's a happy birthday. We have some trees. Just really pretty. Oh, I love these. Little corner with the fern. Some tree rounds. Lots of fun stuff in there. And this is what comes with that. Trying to avoid the glare, guys. There are 66 assorted pieces in the ephemera. There's 40 pieces in the chipboard. Put that aside. And then we have the rub-ons, which I will not open these because I just don't want them to stick together. But let's do it anyways, guys. And I always give you that little stick to do your rubbing on to the paper. So this is the rub-ons that come in here. Again, I apologize for that glare. I will do my best here. So this is what you get. You can see all of this gorgeousness. And their rub-ons are very matte, kind of a frosty matte finish, which I love. So that's the rub-ons. I'm going to go ahead and stick those back in the package just because they are fragile. I don't want to scratch them on anything, lose any of the images. That would not be fun. So Jen's going to attempt to get this back, which I never can do on a first try. I don't know why, but I never do it right. That stick out of my way, that would help. And there we go. All right. And then, of course, last but not least, I also have the cardstock stickers. And there's, again, our super sturdy. It helps if I try to open it on the correct side. Just pull this out and show you the stickers. And there's going to be a glare, again, because my light. I apologize for that. But you get all these fun stickers. And then there's more on the back. There's a lot of stickers, right? Little oars. Super cute. All right, so that is my design team package and what I will be working with going forward. As soon as my order comes in of those dies and some other elements that I ordered, I will be beginning to work on an album with this fun collection. And I can't wait to do it, and I can't wait for you to see it. So I hope that you guys get this collection. If you're an outdoorsy person, this could be used for that, as well as lots of other things. You could even use this for birthday cards, because there is the happy birthday sentiments in there. So have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.